Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Bad Fit Junkie। So आज मैं आपको मिलवाने जा रहा हूँ दीक्षा मलिक से। दीक्षा मलिक ने अपने आप को थायराइड और पीसीओडी जैसी बीमारी से रिकवर भी किया है और आज वो इस स्टेज पे हैं जहाँ पे वो कई लोगों को हेल्प करते हैं। बट बिफोर आई गेट इनटू दैट वीडियो, I would request all of you to please click on that subscribe button and click on that notification bell ताकि आपको हमारे वीडियोस की जानकारी मिलती रहे। दीक्षा मलिक से हमने एक बहुत ही स्पेशल क्वेश्चन पूछा है जिसमें हमने जाना है वो 5 टिप्स जिसको आप फॉलो अगर आप करेंगे तो आप अपने वेट को आसानी से लूज कर पाएंगे। सो मेरी रिक्वेस्ट आपसे ये है कि प्लीज पूरा वीडियो देखिए ताकि आप ये 5 एडवाइस ले सके। बहुत ही छोटी सी एडवाइसेस है बट बहुत क्रूशल है। सो लेट्स गो एंड मीट दीक्षा मलिक गाइस। Hi Diksha, thank you so much for coming to Bad Fit Junkie. I've been trying to reach you for a long time. I'm sorry?
Sorry. I said thank you so much for having me.
Okay, cool. I've been trying to reach you for a long time and thank you so much for giving me time finally because your account has grown really good. I've seen it growing and I wanted to cover how this journey is happening and how you're transforming from coming new to the Instagram and reaching up to almost 100K now, right?
Yeah.
So, first thing first, I would like to know how did your first fitness journey started and how long back you decided that you want to be fit?
So it started with my own transformation. I never started with the mindset that I want to make it as my career.
Okay.
So this is back in 2015. I was suffering from PCOD and thyroid, and I was overweight. And at the age of 28, 29, when your son is like 4 or 5 year old and you're not able to play with him because he was a very active child and I was just all the time exhausted because of my health conditions and the weight, excess of weight. So I decided, this is it. I have to now do something about myself. And that's how it started. I started like any newcomer. I started going out for walks and eating less. But then gradually I came across weight training, strength training. What is the importance of nutrition in if somebody wants to lose weight?
Right.
So it was a very gradual process, and then eventually, when I lost all my weight and I had a little bit about a fair knowledge about the nutrition part, also I thought, let's decide, let's do this in a professional manner.
Right.
And that's how I started my certification. And once I finished, I launched my company.
Cool. That sounds great. So when you started a journey, we always face some kind of challenges. So what were your biggest challenges which you were facing during the start of your journey, or how did you overcome them?
You mean to ask the transformation journey or a journey as an entrepreneur?
As an entrepreneur.
So as an entrepreneur, yes, it was challenging, although I would say I am one of those lucky ones who were accepted in the industry very with open arms.
Okay.
And I won a pageant before launching this company.
Okay.
So I am a Miss India 2017 winner. I think that worked as a platform for me because meanwhile, while I was losing my own weight, I used social media as my journal. I used to post my videos and pictures and transformation and everything. With that, a lot of people connected with me.
Right.
And after Mrs. India, of course, you get some recognition. For your own self-confidence, that works really wonderful.
Right.
So after that, I launched my plan and got a very positive response. But then it's always not success. Behind one success, there are 10 different failures that you go through, and then that's how you grow in your journey.
Exactly.
So there were a lot of I cannot name one obstacle, but yeah, there were many. There were a lot of societal pressure that you should not do all that. You will start looking like a man.
Okay.
Or you're doing all these show off in the social media. I'm sure you're not paying attention to your child. So you can come across these feedbacks. not just by the strangers, but your very close people from your own circle.
Okay.
But that's okay. One has to do what has to do. I mean, what you
Right.
have decided, you should do it.
Right.
So I was very determined that I have to do something, and all you want is that you have a support from your family. And I was very lucky that I had a very supportive, husband, family. Everybody was
Right.
just there for me, whatever I need from them.
Cool. And so when you were trying to lose weight, right, when you thought that you are not able to play with your kid and you're facing a lot of medical conditions as well, who was the biggest inspiration during that time? Who inspired you that, okay, I think I should transform myself?
I think my own old self was my inspiration. When I was growing up or when I was studying, I was very active and in extracurricular, not just studies. I was very good with sports, dramatics, dance, and I was always a very ambitious person. With time, obviously, you kind of take backseat with your own aspiration. That only happened with me. I was going through a depression and a very low phase in my life. That was with a lot of instances in terms of social gatherings. People take no time in body shaming.
Right.
So yeah, that were the reasons. And then my own health conditions, I would say, were added to the depression.
Mm-hmm.
So I kind of found peace and solace in exercising and eating clean. So this was my inspiration that I have to become what I was. I wanted that ambitious spirit again.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Cool. So that pushed you around, and that made you went through your journey. Right?
I do go through and I do take inspiration from a lot of other individuals, a lot of celebrities like Sushmita Sen and Kareena Kapoor Khan. That time she was not into fitness, but Sushmita Sen was always somebody I admire her so much for all the things that she's done in her life with her life.
Right.
So yes, you should always take the plus points looking at someone.
So but when you started with your journey, you started losing weight, people started responding on your page, you were getting all that attention, as in that people were respecting what you have done. So that's what made you decide to get into an entrepreneurship, or you start off as your own?
I think the struggle that I went through to lose weight, because I was trying to, lose weight since 5-6 years, and I was not doing the right things. Or maybe I started doing something and I left it in between because of no knowledge or no guidance. So this struggle made me think that, why not do something so that more people like me should not go through that kind of dilemma and struggle. So this was the only reason, because I was always passionate about fitness. I mean, by that time I was very much into fitness, and I was not working. I took a break from my work life to get into a healthy self. So, I wanted to do something for other women or other people who are going through the same kind of phase and they don't know, they feel lost. I thought maybe with this kind of step, I can help more and more people. So, tried to change my passion into profession and took all the necessary education and then started.
Right. And I think that's what everyone should do, because converting your passion into a profession makes you work that extra hours which you really need to put into grow.
You are always motivated. And you love your work. You should love what you do. I mean,
exactly.
That's the long-term goal. So I love this for myself, and I love that change, that transformation when it comes to others also. Exactly. So it's very overwhelming.
I wanted to talk about your experience when you went ahead and became Mrs. India Earth 2017-2018, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So how was that experience? Because it's something which is not a lot of people try it, and you went ahead and tried it. So how was the experience there?
I think now there are so many pageants related to Mrs. India. I mean, over the past 2 years, a lot of new pageants have come. When I tried, when I applied for it, there was only one pageant. And it is one lifetime kind of an experience, because you always say कि एक वो princess treatment चाहिए, and every woman should have that feeling. For those 3-4 days, you enjoy that attention, that dressing up, getting ready, and then posing and all that. I think every woman enjoys. Every woman enjoys to look beautiful.
Right.
It gives us great confidence. It does not matter what shape, size, and age you are. You should go for certain things, because एक बार शादी हो जाती है, then we get married and बच्चे हो जाते हैं. So things obviously related to your own happiness always take a second seat. First you
Right.
will do for your children, for your family.
Right.
तो वो एक 4 दिन जो थे मेरी लाइफ के, मैं कहूँगी कि मैं कभी भूल नहीं सकती, क्योंकि उस समय मेरी प्रायोरिटी सिर्फ मैं थी. और
Right.
लोगों, जो भी हम पार्टिसिपेंट्स थे, हमारे अलावा जो भी वहाँ पे थे अराउंड पीपल,
जी.
उनकी प्रायोरिटी भी हम थे. तो वो एक अटेंशन, वो एक अलग ही एक्सपीरियंस होता है.
Cool.
You're doing everything for your own self and your own growth. It was a very big learning experience for me. I still use whatever I've learned from those 4 days of experience. In a way my personality has shaped till date. So every woman should do it. Every married woman should go
Should
for
try.
a beauty pageant, I would say.
Okay, great. Now you being a mother and you now have an entrepreneurship and you have your own business to look after, time becomes a huge crunch. So how does this time is being managed now?
To add on to you, my husband is posted in a border area.
Okay.
So I'm kind of all by myself in Delhi with a dog and a baby and a child. Sorry,
kids.
not baby.
2 kids.
2 kids. And with the lockdown, it's like सोने पे सुहागा, क्योंकि
Right.
कोई मेड भी नहीं है. तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है, because you have to you cannot say no to your child, and उसकी जो ज़रूरतें हैं, because he is growing up and his studies are becoming more and more complex. So that attention cannot be managed by anything else. That you have
Right.
to do it.
Right.
घर पे काम भी करनी ही है, बट साथ साथ अपना बिजनेस भी मैनेज करना है. तो प्लानिंग एंड prioritizing is very important, and I make sure that I plan my day a day ahead.
Okay.
इनफैक्ट मेरा वर्कआउट रूटीन भी मैं पहले ही प्लान कर लेती हूँ कि कल मुझे ये करना है. आई लॉग एवरीथिंग. I make my diet chart for the next day, my whatever business related work. Everything is scheduled. उसको schedule करने के लिए मैंने चीजें outsource कर दी हैं, ताकि मैं अपने core work पे काम कर सकूं. Which is making diet plans and making nutrition plan and exercise plan for my clients, and obviously घर का काम and बच्चा. तो delegate what is not important for you and give it to the expertise. That's one tip. And planning and prioritizing कि क्या ज़्यादा important है उस समय.
Right.
That is the success mantra for any entrepreneur.
Okay.
I'll say.
Cool. I've seen a lot of fit mothers working out with their sons. And does that happen with you also?
Yeah, absolutely. Though my son is not into too much into exercising and all, he's more of a sport. He's into sports. He likes to go out and do cycling, और स्केट्स कर लिया या फुटबॉल खेल लिया. तो वो ये सब करना ज्यादा एंजॉय करता है. अब लॉकडाउन हो गया है, सो वी आर स्टक इनसाइड द हाउस. सो आई मेक श्योर कि उसको थोड़ा बहुत तो फॉर द फिजिकल फिटनेस पर्सपेक्टिव, आई मेक श्योर ही इज वर्किंग आउट व्हेनेवर आई एम डूइंग. ही एंजॉयज वाचिंग मी, ही ट्राइज टू कॉपी मी आल्सो. बट ऐसा नहीं है कि उसको करना ही करना. आई हैव सीन लॉट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन एंजॉय एक्सरसाइजिंग विद मी, बट माय सन इज नॉट लाइक दैट. ही वांट्स टू डू हिज ओन things.
Okay. He has his
but
own.
I enjoy exercising with him.
Okay.
I use him as my weight. I'll make it on my shoulders and then do squats and barbell, bicep curls and all. तो वो उसको मजा आता है, but exercise मत कराओ.
Cool. That is so great. Okay, so coming to your life has been going really good for the past. I've seen your Instagram grown from scratch to where you are right now. How you plan to grow?
कैसे हो गया ये? Sometimes I also get surprised. कैसे हो गया?
It's all hard. It's all hard work which you have put into it.
Yes, hard work and luck and right time, right things happen at the right time, I would say.
Right.
That all happened
Added
in
up
one,
to,
yeah,
yeah,
added
exactly.
up to the bigger picture. Yeah.
So what do you plan now? How are you trying to grow now, and what are your upcoming goals?
So it's already started. I mean, lockdown for me was always. I mean, it was a depressing state earlier
Hmm.
because घर एकदम से a lot of things happened when
Right.
this lockdown came. But now, obviously, we are settled to the new normal.
Hmm.
So it
Correct.
gave me a lot of time in the sense because I was not going to the gym or not training outside, घर पे ही है और अलग तरह के social commitments भी खत्म हो गए. It gave me a lot of time to restructure and assess my own programs and plans. And I just launched it a week back, not even a week back, 4 5 days back. I restructured entire programs
Mm-hmm.
because uh, you need to do that. You
Right.
should always look back and see अब क्या और कुछ नया कर सकते हैं कि नहीं.
Correct.
So that I did. Future planning wise, yes, I want to make it more accessible and more reachable to more number of people.
Okay.
So yes, we are working as a company. We are working towards it, and you're following me on Instagram. You will get to know what else new developments are happening.
Absolutely, absolutely. And see, I've seen a lot of people coming and trying to become a nutritionist or trying to take this field now. So, any kind of a
Yeah.
tip, any kind of a guru mantra you would like to give? Because you were not into this, you learned on yourself, you made sure that you had that knowledge, and then you went ahead. So,
Yes.
any tips?
That is a guru mantra. You just said you just repeated my answer. That what
So,
happens was most of the time people lose weight, and yes, see, finding knowledge about nutrition is not difficult. Everything is available online,
right.
and a lot of people lose weight and they feel like, okay, I can also help others
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
make money out of it, make it as a profession, and there's nothing wrong about it. When I started, there were very few people, especially in the virtual space. I think
Okay.
there were hardly anybody.
Okay.
Me amongst some of other people were one of the few trainers who started this online training thing. उससे पहले nobody heard about it. So क्योंकि मैंने उसको बैठ कर डिवाइस किया है तो मुझे पता है कि कैसे इसको काम कर सकते हैं.
Correct.
बट द न्यू कमर्स व्हाट हैपेंस इज कि थोड़ा सा भी कोई वेट लॉस कर लेता है तो उसको लगता है कि या वी कैन टेक इट एज अ प्रोफेशन एंड विदाउट कंप्लीटिंग द नेसेसरी क्वालिफिकेशन they start taking trainings, which is not the right way. You can help probably, with whatever knowledge and experience, you can help 8 people, 10 people जिनके कोई health issues नहीं है. बट अगर आपने ये किसी ऐसे इंसान को गलत डाइट या गलत ट्रेनिंग दे दी जिसके कोई ऑलरेडी हेल्थ इश्यूज हैं, क्या पता उन्हें खुद को नहीं पता होगा और आपके बाद पता चला, then it's the entire industry gets hampered.
Right.
कि ये तो ऑनलाइन तो ऐसे ही है, कुछ नॉलेज नहीं होती, तो कुछ पता नहीं है. So it's always good to take experience, अपने family, friends, close people, help them, guide them with diet plan, free of cost first, to gain experience. This is what I did. And side by side, finish your certifications, and then gradually, it's a very gradual step to go and take it as a profession.
Right.
People try to take shortcuts.
Yeah, that is
वो
the
थोड़ा सा मुझे लगता है कि अभी नहीं तो कभी ये चीज बहुत बैकफायर कर सकती है. सिर्फ एक इंडिविजुअल को नहीं, पूरी इंडस्ट्री को.
Exactly.
तो ये those who are taking the training plan also should be very cautious. Ask questions with your trainers. No matter कितने भी renowned हो, always ask क्या सर्टिफिकेशन किए हैं आपने, इसका नहीं, इससे क्या होगा, इस डाइट से क्या होगा, इस एक्सरसाइज से क्या होगा. इससे आप you can find out कि सामने वाला बंदा कितना knowledgeable है. And this is very important because everything is happening virtually. अब तो सब कुछ virtual ही होने वाला है.
Exactly.
अब जिम और पर्सनल ट्रेनिंग इतना जल्दी स्टार्ट नहीं होगा. So even the big brands are converting their work in virtual space. So those who are taking trainings, please ask questions to your trainer, do your research, and those who are giving training, please finish your qualification first and then start doing it
Training.
as an occupation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because वो एक गलती की देर है and then people suddenly one post will come कि मेरे को उसने train किया था, इनको कुछ पता नहीं होता है
हाँ,
and
and
everything will
you're playing with somebody's life, तो
Exactly.
forget about the bad reputation and वो सब, but आप किसी की पूरे खाने पीने बहुत बेसिक चीजों के साथ हैंडल कर रहे हो, तो आपको ये चीज बहुत केयरफुली करनी चाहिए.
Exactly. That is right. Okay, so one thing which I wanted to make the crux of the video is this question, is I would like to know any 5 important tips, okay, when someone is trying to lose weight, because you are a professional. So what are the 5 most important tips that someone should look into when he or she is trying to lose weight?
First of all, don't give big goals to yourself. Always prioritize health over appearance, I will say. Nothing works better than balanced diet, जिसमें आप थोड़ा हर तरह का nutrition ले रहे हो.
Right.
There are very much, there are a lot of extreme diets are available. And मैं खुद भी बनाती हूँ. But मेरा हमेशा ये कोशिश रहती है कि मैं उनको एक balanced diet की तरफ ही लेके जाऊं, क्योंकि जब आप एक सस्टेनेबल डाइट करते हो तभी आपको लॉन्ग टर्म रिजल्ट्स मिलते हैं.
Correct.
एंड नेवर थिंक दिस एज एन एक्सक्यूज कि मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है एक्सरसाइज करने के लिए. हम सबके पास वही 24 घंटे हैं और हम सबकी लाइफ बिजी है. अगर
Exactly.
मैं 1 घंटा अपने दिन का निकाल सकती हूँ तो आप भी जरूर निकाल सकते हैं. इट्स ऑल अबाउट, एज आई सेड, प्लानिंग, प्रायोरिटाइजिंग एंड डेलीगेटिंग.
Right.
तो 1 घंटा जरूर निकालिए. वर्कआउट quantitatively workout नहीं करना है, qualitatively workout करना है. So it's not about number of hours or sweat you are spending to lose weight. It is about how smartly you are planning your entire day.
Right.
तो basic चीजों में भी आप अपनी एक्टिविटी, फिजिकल एक्टिविटी इंक्लूड कर सकते हो. बेसिक खाने में भी आप अपने डाइट को बहुत इजीली फिट कर सकते हो, अपने न्यूट्रिशन को फिट कर सकते हो. इट्स ऑल अबाउट द पर्सपेक्टिव. अगर आपका पर्सपेक्टिव ये होगा कि मुझे हेल्दी होना है तो आप हमेशा अच्छे रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे. Weight loss is just a small part of the bigger picture. So
Exactly.
look at the bigger picture. Have good big goals, but have small steps to divide that goal.
Right.
भागने की जरूरत नहीं है. Take baby steps and go gradually and enjoy the process.
Right. That like जो बहुत बड़ी saying है कि you should enjoy the journey towards your goal, not the goal which you want to achieve.
I am still enjoying the journey. I think that's the reason I'm still in it. नहीं तो मुझे आज भी याद है कि आज से 3 महीने पहले मैं जिम में I was doing my cardio और एक आंटी आई 50-60 years like my mother. She said, आप तो पतली हो, आप क्या कर रहे हो यहाँ जिम में? लोगों को ये लगता है जिम में मोटे लोग ही जाते हैं जिन्हें वेट लॉस करना है. नहीं, आंटी हेल्दी होने के लिए जाना चाहिए. छोड़ दिया तो वापस वही हो जाएगा.
बिल्कुल. Okay, thank you, Diksha. And finally, before I let you go, I would like to know what are your views about Mad Fit Junkie, the page which I run, and there's another page which we run called Be Mad Be Fit Be Junkie.
I go through a lot of posts from both the pages, and I must tell you कि आप लोग average normal people like us, उनकी transformation journey को feature करते हो, and somebody who's trying to get fit to make a better version of themselves, ये छोटी छोटी चीजें बहुत मोटिवेट करती हैं. इट मोटिवेटेड मी. तो वही चीज आप कर रहे हो, जो एक बहुत कमेंडेबल वर्क है, कि अपने बारे में ना पोस्ट करके लोगों के सक्सेस के बारे में पोस्ट करना, and enjoying their success and commending them. That's a big thing, and keep doing the good job. I wish you all the best, and you are already doing very well.
Thank you.
And keep continuing the good things. I'm sure आपने काफी लोगों की best wishes और मतलब good wishes and things मिलती होंगी.
Exactly. Because of all this, we are here where we are right now. Because the platform is growing, the things are growing for us as well. Thank you so much, Diksha, for coming and sharing your journey with us. And such beautiful information. I would like to post it because that last question was my crux. So I'll make that as the first question and then I'll bring it in the last. So thank you so much, Diksha, and we wish you all the luck for your business.
Thank you so much. I wish you all the best.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like our video and if you want to promote yourself and motivate others, you can connect with us. To connect, you can find all the details in the description. Please like, share and subscribe to my video. To subscribe to my channel, click here. And to watch our previous videos, you can click here. Thank you so much.